Is there a way to locate my lost AirPods remotely?
Yes, there is a way to locate your lost AirPods remotely. Apple has a built-in feature called Find My that can help you track down your lost AirPods. This feature relies on the Bluetooth connection between your AirPods and your paired iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Let's explore how you can use this feature to find your misplaced AirPods.
How does Find My work with AirPods?
When you set up your AirPods with an iOS device, they become linked to your iCloud account. This association allows you to use the Find My feature to locate your AirPods. Find My uses the Bluetooth signal emitted by your AirPods to determine their approximate location.
Steps to locate your lost AirPods remotely.
1. Open the Find My app. Launch the Find My app on any of your Apple devices, such as your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Ensure that you are signed in with the same iCloud account used to set up your AirPods. 2. Tap on the Devices tab. In the bottom left corner of the app, you'll find a Devices tab. Tap on it to see a list of all the devices linked to your iCloud account. 3. Locate your AirPods. Look for your AirPods in the list of devices. If they are within range and connected to any of your Apple devices, their approximate location will be displayed on the map. 4. Track your AirPods. If your AirPods are nearby, you can use the Play Sound feature to make them emit a loud sound. This can help you locate them if they are buried under cushions or hidden in a bag. 5. Enable Lost Mode. If your AirPods are not within immediate reach or you suspect they are lost, you can enable Lost Mode. This feature locks your AirPods and displays a custom message on your paired device. You can provide your contact information so that anyone who finds them can reach out to you. 6. Get notifications. If your AirPods are found or their location changes, you will receive notifications on your connected Apple devices. This can be helpful if you misplace them in different locations or if someone moves them.
Additional considerations.
Internet connection. For the Find My feature to work, your AirPods need to be connected to an iOS device that has an active internet connection. If your AirPods are out of range or disconnected, their last known location will be displayed. Battery life. The battery level of your AirPods can affect their ability to be located. If the battery is depleted, the Find My feature may not work until they are recharged and connect to a device. Privacy concerns. It's worth mentioning that Find My respects your privacy. The location data used to track your AirPods is encrypted and only accessible by you. In conclusion, if you've misplaced your AirPods, you can use the Find My feature to locate them remotely. By following the steps outlined above, you can track their approximate location, play a sound to find them nearby, enable Lost Mode if they are lost, and receive notifications about their whereabouts. Remember to ensure your AirPods are connected to an iOS device with an active internet connection for the feature to work.